Alright, looks like we're rolling. So, hey guys, what's up? This is FXD79, and just making a quick video. This is sort of like a vlog, I could say, but I'm not going to say that because I don't do that. But anyways, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Basically, I just got my website back up and running, and you can see that. I'm on my website right now. I'll show you guys. Okay, so there you should be able to see it, and you can probably see a little Drosta effect right there. But anyways, my website is back up. It was down for a while, but as of today, which is June 2nd, it is back up and online. So go check that out. Also, my podcast, which you might have seen on my website, is down for the moment because of the podcast service that I was using called SwitchPod. It's currently shutting down, and I'm going to have to switch over to Libsyn, which sucks. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to keep the same podcast service or the same podcast name, or have to start a totally new podcast, which could be potentially problematic, but that will be figured out. In the meantime, I'm working on a few new videos, an After Effects tutorial, a Windows tutorial. I'm actually working on all three of the tutorials that I'm working on. I'm working on a Windows tutorial, some other sort of hacking type thing, and I'm also working on a Sony Vegas and After Effects tutorial on the same thing, just in two different ways to do it, obviously. So yeah, also upcoming news, I am going to the U2 concert on September 29th in Washington, D.C. So I don't know if anybody else is coming. Give me a shout out, and that'd be awesome. I'm not guaranteeing I'd come and see you. But anyways, just wanted to give you guys that quick update. Also, I'm doing a new contest on this video. If you go to YouTube and you're watching this video, if you're on my live show and you're watching this, you're going to want to go to youtube.com/FXD79, which is right up here, and then it'll be right here. Just click on the video and you will be able to I'm giving away a free professional intro, and I can do whatever you want. I can have whatever text you want. I can do 3D, not 3D, basic, really advanced. I can do whatever you want, but I'm giving a free professional intro for your YouTube videos. So what you have to do is, to win the intro, you have to be subscribed to me, number one. You have to add me as a friend on YouTube. So just go on YouTube and scroll down and hit add as friend right there under my name. This is the new beta channel that I have, so it's down at near the bottom of my videos rather than at the very top. But go down there after you're done watching this video, or right now. Just scroll down and leave a comment onto my video, and you're going to tell me two things. Number one, why you need the intro. Like, just tell me, whatever. That's for you to figure out. And number two, I want you to leave the most random possible comment you can, using under 30 words. Okay? If it's under 10 words, I won't include it, because that's just not creative, and I'm really mean like that. So yeah, sorry, I'm a little bit have some something in my throat. Kind of tired. Anyways, we're getting out of school soon, so I'll be doing a lot of stuff during the summer. Working at a TV studio and doing a lot of jobs like that. So I will have more time though to do videos. So there'll be a lot more videos coming in. So I will see you guys later.